Hello, we're back with some great new clients of Green Pro Solutions today. We've got Wesley on the left hand and Van on the right. They're from Treenewal in the Dallas-Fort Worth area of Texas. And they just came up to buy this brand new Sprinter today that they're going to take back and transform their plant healthcare. Well, that's my opinion. Wesley, why did you buy this vehicle and outfit it the way that you did?
Well, we were impressed with the innovation, the ease of use, with the attention to detail, the quality of the materials, and I think it's going to help us be more efficient and use our time more efficiently.
Okay.
And going to make us more money.
Okay. Now, some people buy these things sight unseen, but Treenewal sent you and, well, both of you gentlemen, plus the owner came up and he wanted to learn more about this before he invested in this. And so when you saw this today, what were your impressions?
I thought it was very well kept to the needs and the design specs that we asked for. The tank configuration was a change from what the standard was.
True, yes.
We gave Green Pro the specs that we wanted and how we wanted it set up, and they made it happen.
So you got what you asked for.
We got what we asked for,
Exactly
plus
what we
some.
got. What kind of was amazing to me, dealing with these all the time, how much stuff we stuck in this Sprinter. It's the most we've ever, tanks and so on and so forth.
The space is very efficiently used.
And the way you put it in there, it didn't make it cumbersome for the user.
Okay. So there was still room to do what you needed to do.
Still room for us to do what we needed to do. Still room for us to get to the products and to the service equipment that we'll need to get to, without having to, now we'd have to reach over something or crawl under something to get to it. It's still just a walk in, get what you need to get, and be more efficient to complete and do the services that we have.
Right.
I was also conscientious in how they put all the fail safes in check to help protect the equipment in case of any type of operator error or malfunction.
So you would say Ken Baker, he's the guy that puts all this stuff together. He had a huge shoehorn, to get all this in here.
With a little bit of grease.
He did a good job, huh?
He did.
He did a great job, and also the training. A lot of times when you buy these specialty vehicles, regardless of whether you ask for special design, ask for special configuration, it's usually a build and ship, and you learn as you go. You guys provided us with training and very good detailed,
A big
hands-on
manual.
showing how it actually works and what the safety features were, and the stop fails that you put in place. And then we've also got Ken to contact every other day or every day to ask the same question over and over again. So,
Wesley, you're kind of operations guy here, kind of overseeing all this. Well, both of you guys are in different ways, but and you can both answer this question. The question basically is, how do you think this piece of equipment, the image it presents, the different tools that are in here with the inject and so on, how is this going to transform your plant healthcare department?
Well, it's going to help us make more use of the time that we have during the day. The days aren't getting any longer, so we've got to get more done in the same amount of time. And just the efficiencies built into the machine, just the professionalism of it, it's going to be like a big moving billboard for us also. And it's going to differentiate us from our competitors in our market.
Van, anything you'd like to add to it as we close here?
well, it's going to make us more efficient.
Okay.
Because we now have a more powerful pump and a central pump rather than on the rig that we're using now. We use two different pumps for our reel system, and then also, when it came to deciding whether we wanted the larger truck or whether we wanted to get the Sprinter van, one of the considerations I had is we do a lot of rural or urban areas, and just the ease of getting through some of the more narrow streets with the cars parked on both sides. This is going to make us a lot more maneuverable to get to the residential customers that we have for our urban forestry.
Okay. Wes, Van, any concluding thoughts?
Just want to thank you. Did a good job.
Thank you. Maybe we'll talk to you a year or so and see if everything's turning out exactly the way you wanted it.
Yeah, we're looking forward to a new plant healthcare adventure.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you, Wes and Van, and please also Dave down there in Texas didn't make the trip today, but we appreciate the opportunity to help you grow your company. We look forward to a continued relationship. Thank you so much.
Thank you.